Hello there, in this video I will show you how to fix Gboard not working on Android or Gboard keeps stopping problem using an Android phone. So let's get started. First of all, go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Tap here. Tap on Show System Apps. Tap OK. Now search for Gboard. Open it. Tap on Force Stop, then tap OK. Tap on Storage. Clear the cache. Tap on Clear all data, then tap OK. After that, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open the Gboard application. Set up the application on your phone. I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then open the Play Store. Search for Google Keyboard or Gboard. If you found any update available for your Google Keyboard app, then update the application. In my case, there is no update available. After completing the updating process, open the Google Keyboard from here. I hope your problem will be fixed.